when you initially started the Goamiles, so many people, so many organizations, so many associations, they put the pressure to at least stop these Goamiles. Otherwise, you convert it in other app and so many things. Otherwise, restrict them from here, restrict them from there. But there are just so many people, so many other organizations also stood behind me firmly. And they supported me. Well, my cabinet colleagues also, they have supported me. So no, this time we won't ban, because many a times the more and more tourist people wants to come to Goa, and if there are some people, I think they'll spoil the name of the state of Goa because of this, the taxi purpose. Then it is won't bear it. That's why we have supported for the Goamiles. And
Travel Miles is the first and only in-cap travel and tourism magazine which will be a one-stop solution for tourists visiting Goa to know more about the special curated activities, adventure, sightseeing and other things to do while they are visiting Goa.
So I proudly say that it's almost 1,600 active vehicles out of registered 1,900 vehicles which are there with us. We have crossed almost 4 lakh trips. That encompasses, almost 1 million passenger experience over there. If I consider a 2.5 passenger per vehicle,